which is the lesser combination, of words. Okay, you see, pairs, minimal pairs, which is the lesser combination of words, lesser combination. Okay, good. The lesser combination of of sounds. This lesser combination, let us go to the common title. Now this lesser combination of sounds is acceptable. Okay, is acceptable. So the minimal pairs is the lesser combination of sounds, and this combination of sounds, for example, you make this word, okay, when you, for example, use pat and bat, what are you doing? They are similar, but the difference in what? In p and b, and both of them are what? Are stops and plosives, but one is voiced and the other is voiceless. What do we call them? We call them that the two words in minimal pairs and sets. Okay, for example, the word fit and fat and fate. What do we call these words? We call these words in minimal combination or in minimal pairs and sets. Good. And these words, by the way, they are used in society. Good. Some other words are not used in society, and also they are minimals, like, for example, the word lig or vig, which is L-I-G and V-I-G. You see, these two words also are combinations of different sounds, but this combination of sounds is not acceptable and is not possible. So every Englishman looks at these different words, says that this is not English word, this is not English word, but they are. This is a correct arrangement, and as an arrangement it is correct. This is consonant and this is vowel and this is consonant, correct. But does this word has a meaning? Does this word have a meaning? No, it does not have a meaning, so it is not used. Can this word be used in future? Maybe. May be that this word used where in future. Good. What do you call now? There are also some minimal words, like, for example, the word we are talking about, by the way, we are talking about phonotactics. The word, for example, sing, okay, or mig. Also small combination of words, minimal combination of words. But is this combination of words acceptable? Okay, yes, it is acceptable. Okay, but these words, they say that they are not obeying same constraints on the sequence. Such constraints are called the phonotactics of a language. Phonotactics of a language. You know, phonotactics, if you look at the word phono from phonology, tactics, which is the tactic, you know, tactic, okay, it is a way or strategy of combining different words. Okay, so this is called phonotactics. It is the constraints means that rules, constraints are rules which you follow in order to combine the different sounds together in order to make different words, right? This is what we call phonotactics, which is the strategy or the way through which you bring certain sounds together. Okay, good. Now you come from what? From the lesser combination of sounds to make little or small words to what we call what? A syllable. What is a syllable? Every syllable in English should include what? Consonant and vowel. Okay, consonant and vowel are called what? Are called a syllable, right? So a syllable must contain what? A vowel or vowel-like sound, including diphthongs. Okay, the most common type of syllable in language also has a consonant before the vowel, you see, before the vowel, and is typically represented as CV. This is the definition of what? Of the syllable. Good. Let us now come to what? This diagram. To study this diagram, the syllable may have onset, which is one syllable, okay, and rhyme. The onset includes consonant or consonants, and the nucleus includes vowel. You remember the tree diagram? This is a tree diagram, okay? You remember what Chomsky's tree diagram? This is a tree diagram of what? The syllable. It is onset and the rhyme, when the rhyme includes a nucleus and coda, and the nucleus is the vowel and the coda is the consonant. Which consonant? The consonant which comes after the vowel, you see? So it will be in this way. This is consonant, this is vowel, and this is consonant. This consonant is called what? Onset, and this vowel is called what? Nucleus, and this consonant is called what? Coda, you see? Through this combination you may make what? Different words. Look at these words. For example, the word me, okay, for example, the word me and the word to and the word no, what are made of? They are made of consonant and vowel. In this way, what do we call? We call that these syllables are open, okay? Other syllables which include what? The coda, like for example the word cup, which is CVC. This is, what do we call this? We call this word as a closed syllable, that this word involves what? Or contains what? A closed syllable, right? This is the difference between the closed syllable and the open syllable. We come to what? By the way, all this is what? A repetition for what you have studied in second year. All this is a repetition for what you have studied in second year in phonetics and phonology. You come now to consonant clusters. You remember, and I told you that there is a combination of different consonants together. For example, there are some rules, okay? For example, you cannot use this sound before that, and you can use this sound before or after that. This is what we call consonant cluster, which is the use of consonants at the beginning or the use of consonants at the end, at the beginning and at the end. How can you decide that this is at the beginning and this is at the end when there is vowel after or before? You see? Now we come what? To articulation effects or co-articulation effects. Co-articulation effects. Look well. Everybody, when you talk, You talk spontaneously and fast. Okay? What do you talk? You talk, of course, when you speak or you talk, you use words. You combine words together. And these words will be what? Will be fast. Okay? Good. There is certain effect which came as a result of what? As a result of co-articulation. Co-articulation means what? One sound helps another. Okay? Or one sound affects another. You see? This is called co-articulation. In co-articulation and in using sounds, or in affecting sounds, I mean sounds affecting in each other, there are some ways or some processes which are resulted from this co-articulation. What are these effects or ways which are resulted from the co-articulation or the fast speech or the spontaneous speech? There is what phoneticians recognized, that there is what we call assimilation and elision. Okay? So assimilation and elision are two phenomena. You see, are two phenomena. Okay? Two phenomena, two phonetician, or two phonological phenomena. And the phenomena is the plural, and the singular is what? Phenomenon. Phenomenon is what? The singular. Okay? And phenomena is the plural. So these two, assimilation and elision, are two phenomena, two phonological phenomena which came as a result of what? Of the co-articulation or the the spontaneous and fast speech. Good. What is assimilation? When two phonemes occur in sequence, you see, assimilation, when two phonemes occur in sequence and some aspect of one phoneme is taken or copied by the other, the process is known as what? As assimilation. How? Let us take, for example, the word what? The word, for example, let us take the word what? Can go. I can go. I can go. Or let us say let us take from this book. Look, I can go. I can go. You do not say I can go. You say I can go. I can go. You see, as combination, as rapid. You see, I can go. What else? You and me. 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 You do not say you and me. You and me. You and me. Okay? You can go. I can go. I can go. You see, this is what we call what? We call it as assimilation. You and me. You and me. You do not say you and me. You and me. You see? And I think you remember the different definitions and what assimilate and different what examples from the book of Phonetics and Phonology in second year. Elision what is omission of certain sounds, that certain sounds will not be pronounced. Okay? Different sounds will not be pronounced. Example, you say, for example, he must be. He must be. You see? He must be. Okay? T here is not pronounced. T in he must be. He must be. T is not pronounced. You see? This is what we call elision. Okay? And there are many different other examples. You see? Also, you say, for example, he must be, he must be. We asked him, we asked him. You do not say we asked him. This is not English. This is not an English way for pronouncing the word. You will be recognized in the English society that you are not English person. You are foreigner. So you say we asked him, we asked him, or you say we asked him, we asked him, we asked him. T here will be assimilated, here will be elated, and the H will be elated also from elision, you see. Then we come to the last part of our lecture today, which is the normal speech. In our normal speech, now when I talk to you, okay, when I talk to you, you find that there is what elision, there is assimilation, and there are many different phenomena in my speech, and this is not, you see, the two processes of assimilation and elision occur in everyone's normal speech and should not be regarded as some type of sloppiness or laziness in speaking. You see, this is a correct way for, by the way, this is what this assimilation and elision may be regarded as an irregular way for pronouncing the word, because when you pronounce the word, and by the way, this is especially where in rapid and casual speech, and not in slow and what normal speech, because in slow and normal speech all the sounds will be regular and in regular patterns, but this is as you say, it is what irregular, and this is a deviation of the normal way of pronouncing what the different sounds, but it is a correct way. It is accepted in pronouncing the different English words. This is the end of the of this lesson. Thank you very much. See you in the coming lesson.